Hey guys, welcome back. I'm AK here. I show my motivation. 2 weeks ago, I made a video talking about the importance of reading. Well, today, I have something that will help you to improve and motivate you to get your reading in. I have a box here that we're going to be opening at the end. So make sure you stay at the end to see what is in it. Let's go.
Hey you, what are you doing here? Get out! Hey guys, as usual, make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and hit that notification bell below. Let's go!
Alright guys, like I was saying, right? Whenever we have a goal or we plan to do something, we have to be intentional about it. And for me, I'm gonna be real, I've been struggling trying to make that time to read. Well, what I have done, I have got myself something that will help me to stay focused. Because if you can't stay focused to do what you say you were going to do, it's going to be very hard to accomplish that goal or that task that you say you were going to do. And one of the ways I have discovered, or maybe you know, is to have a why behind your goal. So let's say, for example, you want to lose 10 pounds. Why? Or another example is you want to be a CEO for your organization, for that great company, right? Why? Why do you want to become a CEO? Why do you want to lose 10 pounds? Because if you don't have a strong enough why, you're not going to go too far. And that's why today, so many people don't achieve or accomplish their goal because their why is not enough. So whenever we say we're going to do something or we set that goal, guys, we have to have a why. And I have a why. So therefore, I have invested in that so that my why can be even stronger to achieve or accomplish my goal. Another way to achieve your goal, guys, is to make sure you have someone who will hold you accountable. Before, I never used to like that because I always just wanted to do my own thing. But in order to rise above, you have to have somebody who will hold you accountable. Someone who will call you, text you, write you, and just check upon you to make sure you're getting it done, what you said you were going to do. So get ready. Let's dig in this box and see what we got. Here we go. The finale is here. What you guys think is in here?
A new GoPro.
GoPro. I wish, God, I want a GoPro. Let's find out, right? Let's go. Come on. Open it. Come on. Oh, another box.
It's another box.
It's another box. Get it out. Pull it out. Open it out. Take it out. Oh, show it to them. Show it to them. So the reason why I got this timer is to help me read. My goal is to start reading an hour a day. This is going to help me out to stay focused and read as much as I can. Because what I have come to realize is that the treasure you and I are looking for is in the book, right? So if we commit ourselves to self-development and reading, we're going to find our treasure. So pick up those books and get off the internet a little bit and cut off the movies and stay off the cell phone and find those treasure in those books. All right, guys. So if there's something you're willing to invest in or to use one of these to keep track of your reading time, the link is below. Check it out and get yourself one of these so we can grow together. Once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that like button. Thank you. Catch you guys on the next video. Let's go.